parent orientation in under 5 minutes. Hello parents, welcome to ChildFriendly. This video is a brief orientation to help you navigate the ChildFriendly portal. To get started, locate the invitation email sent by your center and follow the steps provided to set up your password and login details. Once you've logged in, either through the ChildFriendly app or on your computer, you'll arrive at the initial welcome screen, where you can simply press Next to begin. The system will prompt you to complete any missing legal guardian information, such as your address. After entering the required guardian information, you can proceed by pressing Next. Next, the system will ask for additional student information, like healthcare numbers or immunization status. Some fields are optional, while others are mandatory. If necessary, add permissions for medications, add allergies, medical conditions, or special needs, then press Next. You'll now digitally sign any agreements created by your center. Some agreements will be required for enrollment, while others might be marked as optional. Use the eye icon to review each agreement. Once satisfied, select the ones you wish to sign and press Next. Note that you won't be able to progress without agreeing to the mandatory ones. The next screen is for payment information. Add your banking or credit card details as preferred. To enable automatic fee processing, select the Auto Withdraw option. If you prefer to handle payments manually, leave the Auto Withdraw option unchecked and press Save. Your payment details will be stored, and you can manually pay each month through the app. After adding your payment details, press Next. You've now completed the one-time online registration. Now press Complete to enter your portal. Upon entering the portal, you'll see the home screen. Certain notifications may be pinned here, and you can dismiss them if preferred. You'll also find updates about your child, including attendance, room assignment, and activity reports. Recent activities will also be listed. Your notifications and profile settings are found in the top right corner. From here, you can update your password and manage your notification preferences. At the bottom, quick select menu options are available, such as accessing your child's daily journal. The journal is your window into their day, where you can browse photos of their activities, check in on how much they ate, nap times, potty breaks, and more. Another quick menu item is Messages. Here you can quickly communicate with teachers or administrators. Center-wide announcements can be viewed here also. Make sure you have enabled Messages in your notification settings to receive a notification for all incoming messages. The menu icon on the bottom right provides access to all sections of the parent portal. The Learning section shows progress reports and classroom weekly learning plans. Under Journals, you can also access the Journal of Activities and also incident reports. Under Sign-offs, you can review and sign incident or illness reports. Notifications for these can be enabled in your profile. The Communication menu also offers several key options. Review your agreements, emails from the center, or any calendars that have been shared with you. The Financial menu tab provides easy access to your tax receipts and your billing setup and balance via the ledger. All invoices and payments are located under the Finance section, where you can view open balances and make payments directly through the portal. Under the Children tab, you'll find registration to review your child's program, or to register for a new one. RSVP to instantly notify the center of any absences, sick days, or no pickup requests. Staff will be notified immediately, so they know exactly when your child doesn't require transport or care. Attendance is used to track their daily records. And then finally, head over to the Profile section to keep your child's information current, including any new allergies or medications that need to be administered. The Members menu option allows you to add family members or update your guardian information. Keeping this data current is important. Any updates you make will notify the admin for approval. Access your PIN for kiosk use at the center if your center uses a tablet, typically at the office, for parents to sign their children in. If no PIN has been set by your center, click to generate one. The last section of the main menu is the Payment Information section. Update your banking information here as needed. Our goal is to keep you effortlessly connected to the incredible curriculum, activities, and care happening at your center every day. These tools ensure you never miss a moment of your child's growth. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the app.